Hi boys and girls, in this video I will be doing today's religion lesson with you. So if you get out your religion book and you open up to page 296, we will be doing this song about Amanda. It's a story about Amanda and how Amanda loves to sing. So go ahead and open up your religion books right now to 296 and we will get ready to go. Okay. Make sure you use your reading finger to read along with me as I go through this little paragraph here. Read along, and then we will answer the questions on the next page together. So Amanda loves to sing. Amanda loves to sing in the children's choir at her church. She sings as her parish community gathers to praise God. After the first Bible reading, she sings a psalm. She sings a hymn when people bring the bread and the wine to the altar. She prays to God our Father when she sings the Lord's Prayer. Amanda sings at communion time. She also sings at the end of Mass. Sometimes during the week, Amanda hums or sings the songs from Mass. The music reminds her to give God thanks and praise. It reminds her to live in peace. It helps her to love and serve others. What holy songs do you like to hum or sing? I know there's lots. We used to listen to a lot in our classroom. And we would listen to the Lord, I need you, oh, I need you, when we would be doing our work. And I think that's so appropriate and so fitting for every day, especially the last, days that we've been spending at home. It talks about how Amanda was in the children's choir. If you remember, we have a children's choir at St. Pat's, and every Friday when we would go to Mass as a school, those children would go up and sing, and they would sing during, after the readings. They would sing the psalm. They would sing during communion, after communion. Sometimes we would sing the Lord's Prayer, and sometimes we would say it. But then there's lots of songs we would sing. I know you guys love the Somebody's Knocking on Your Door. Somebody's knocking at your door. Oh, sinner, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at your door. One of my favorites, Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough. And all of those songs, when you think of them throughout the day and they get stuck in your head, it's a great thing because it reminds you to give thanks and praise to God. So think of what your favorite songs are that we sing in church. All right, if you look over here now on this side, I'm going to go over this activity with you. It says use these words to complete the sentences. So the words here say hymn, praise, pray, psalms, and thanks. And we are going to first put the words on these lines, and then we will fill them in to the crossword puzzle. Okay, so number 1 says we give God, and they started it for us with TH. So what do we give God? Let's find the word that starts with TH. Oh, right here, we give God thanks. So on this first one, we're going to write TH and then A N K S. And if you need more time, you can pause the video. Okay. All right. The next one here says singing is a way to blank. Well, we've been learning this week so far that singing is a way to pray, right? So we'll put pray for the second one. P R A Y. And again, if you need more time, you can pause. Okay, the next one says, by singing, we blank God. Okay, by singing, we hymn God, praise God, or psalms God. I think praise. I think you're right. So for that one, we're going to write praise. P, I'll get it up here where you can see it. R A I S E. So we give God thanks. Singing is a way to pray. By singing, we praise God. This one says the words of some hymns come from the blank. Well, where do some of those words come from? I told you the entire book of Psalms. So the words for some songs come from the Psalms. So for this one, you'll write Psalms. And remember, Psalm starts with that silent P. So we don't say Psalms. We just don't pronounce the P. So it's P-S-A-L-M-S. Psalms. Okay. Okay, and that leaves our last one is kind of a gimme. It's the word hymn, but let's read and make sure. And hymn, not like hymn as in like give this to him, but hymn like the songs we sing in church are called hymns, and they're spelled Hymn. And this last one says a blank is a holy song, and I just told you that is a hymn. So it's not Him, it's Hymn, but we pronounce it hymn, just like give this to him. Okay, so now we have our words here. We can go through and we can write them in where they belong on the crossword. So these ones are all going down. So we need one down. So I go to one, which is right here, and I'm going to write this word thanks going down. So THANKS. And don't forget, you can pause at any time if you need more time. Okay, we're still going down, and this one says pray. So we need to find 3, and we're going to write the word pray going down. So here's 3. So we'll write PRAY. Okay, now these ones say across, which means sideways. So for these ones, we're going to be writing the word sideways. So for 2 across, we're going to write praise. So we find the 2, it's right here, and we're going to write across praise. P-R, the A is already there, I-S-E, praise. For 3 across, we're going to write psalms. The P and the S are already there, so we just need to put in the A-L-M-S. And then our last one, 4 across, 4 across says hymn. So for 4 across, we'll write Hymn, and we fit all of our words in the crossword. All right, boys and girls, you did an excellent job on that today. I hope you learned a few things. I hope you remember that a hymn is a holy song, that the Psalms are books in the Bible that we put to music and sing, that we can use our voices to sing and praise God. And I hope you spend the rest of your day singing some of your favorite hymns from church. Bye, boys and girls.